Alright fam, it's late. I don't want to do a whole lot of editing, so let's just start off with an store change glitch here. Shout out to Deal Team 6 for this one. You're going to change your store to 0664 Clovis, and that'll bring the price of the M18 multi-tool kit down to 99 bucks. Shipped to home. I think there's like 32, not a whole lot. It'll probably sell out pretty quickly by the time you guys see this. Still over at the Home Depot, there's a whole bunch of BOGOs that just came back into stock. Specifically, the drywall gun 2.5s and the mud mixer 459, the drywall gun with the Gen 3 299. I think those are the only BOGOs that are really worth looking at right now. Let's check the price on that drywall with the Gen 3. Oh wow, the get one free tool disappeared on me. Let's do the mud mixer then. I know that thing's a beast. Everyone likes to mix their mud. So you're gonna see this free gift with purchase. If you guys are new to the channel, you guys don't know about hacks, ask in the comments. People are usually more than willing to help out. In this case, your Gen 3 is gonna be the highest priced add-on item. So throw that in the cart and your price will break down to $346.51 for the mud mixer with the drywall gun, 2.5s, a charger, and a bag. Not stellar, but you know, it's some hacks that we're missing. So moving on, over at the Tractor Supply right now, with shipping, you can get the Makita 18-volt brushless lithium-ion blower bare tool for the grand total. There's no price on here. Let's throw it in the cart and see what happens. You can get both ship to store or standard delivery. What am I looking at here? This website is so convoluted. 49 bucks. Not bad at all. I do believe they charge shipping on this. So if you get it shipped to store, they won't hit you with that shipping fee, $53.99. Why is this website so terrible? I don't know, but that's not a bad price. That is a stellar price on that blower. So all of you whiny babies over in the Deal Team 6 Facebook can stop whining about it. There's deals for everyone to be had. Just don't be slow, honestly. Don't be slow, fam. It's the best advice I can give you guys. And still over at the Home Depot, because they love to leak tools, we've got a price on the Ryobi track saw. No word if this is going to be included as part of some kind of promo for Ryobi days, but I have a rep that says maybe. Maybe. A strong maybe. So keep your eyes peeled on that. Regardless, for the track saw kit, $299 with the track saw, a whole friggin' track that doesn't have the rubber strip pre-clipped. Yes, that's a 0 clearance rubber strip. It's supposed to be that way. A 4 amp hour battery, and I hate that charger. That's gonna go straight to the trash. Straight to the trash. This does have a negative 1 degree, interesting, to 48 degree bevel capacity. You guys have seen all the stats. Two 27.5-inch tracks, so a total of 55 inches. It gives you the ability to rip plywood sheets in half. It seems like a solid saw. You're not going to be ripping 2x4s with this, but honestly, if you're trying to rip 2x4s with the track saw, you're doing it wrong. Get a freaking table saw for that, fam. Now, if you guys want to see a full review in depth, unlike anything I could ever do, I will link my boy Clint's from Tool Review Zone in the description down below, just to get you guys hyped, because I'm sure we're only a couple of weeks away from this being available on Home Depot's website. Now, speaking of leaked tools, last week, Torque Test Channel got their hands on the 891B.
Ligma balls ketchup soy boy.
That is B for bare tool, not Well, I'm not gonna say it. The point is, this thing is a monster. And let me show y'all, I managed to score one earlier Sunday. Why? Because I was bored and I was out. And I managed to order one through the website and it was promptly canceled. So I walked in there, I found it up on the shelf in the high shelf, got a ladder, grabbed the impact wrench myself and took it to the register. Only to be tackled by two security. No, I'm just messing with y'all. They let me pay for it. I lift. So I have one of those now, and I'll be taking it to the infamous tire shop to get their opinion. Soon enough, keep your eyes open for that review. It will be a doozy. Also, sticking with the mustard stuff, the cutoff tool is out and available for order through Home Depot's website. Bare tool price of $169. I hear it does amazing things with the power stack battery. Let me know in the comments down below if this is something you're interested in. I might be able to do a review on it or not. I'm not entirely sure. This is really just like a 90-degree angled grinder to me. I don't get terribly excited about tiny saws, but if you guys are, again, let me know in the comments down below. We might be able to work something out here. And finally, let me leave you guys with one massive leak. We've got the first look at the Gen 4. Shout out to our boy El Clivo from Mexico for dropping this in our laps. You can tell by the tri-beam LED and the action fins on the back that this is indeed the Gen 4. No word on if it's going to be hydraulic or not. I hope it will be. They're nice and quiet. It looks like they have a quick release collet finally, thank goodness. Hopefully they fix the collet issues. I know we got that 3.5, but that's not really an improvement much, is it? So I'll be looking forward to this. No, there's no stacked lithium here. Well, thank goodness that my iPad crapped out on me, because there's a new... I honestly don't even know what to even make of this. Are we getting M12 OPE now? What could you possibly trim with that? I have no clue. I mean, manscaping? Whatever. I'll leave a link in the description down below. This will probably make the thumb. Have at it, fam. Good luck.